I have many a happy memory of the time of my youth on the farm. Full stop. I saw the buyer for a minute at the hotel, comma, but he had to hurry away. Full stop. Usually, we ship the oil to you by boat, comma, but if you are in a hurry, comma, can go by road. Full stop. Write and ask them if they charge a higher rate for heavy oil. Full stop. They hope to have the bill of lading in the mail today. Full stop. I know Hugh Riley, comma, and I think he will reach a high rank in the army. Full stop. We hope you will enjoy the voyage, and we hope to see you when you get back. Full stop and para. I should like the head of your firm to see our huge new factory, comma, and if he will come, comma, I will fetch him in my car. Full stop. If he can do so, comma, should like him to have lunch with me at the Park Avenue Hotel. Full stop. I hope he will come to see it, comma, for I think it will appeal to him. Full stop. I should be happy to see him, comma, and you, comma, if you can come too. Full stop. I hope you will come with me and close.